Hi and welcome back to the Daily 3D Print. Now today I want to show you how to make a simple vase for flowers here for an interior scene maybe. So I'm going to change over to the front view, which is here. Double check under the camera that it's on parallel and not perspective. And then I can zoom in a little bit. Take the arch tool, which is this one, or the arc. And then I'm going to start at the top. Maybe the neck of the vase can be this kind of shape, and then the body, make it like this shape. Take the line, and I want to finish where the center of the vase is going to be, so estimate around there somewhere. Select the whole thing, take offset, bring it in slightly like that, and then I'm going to take the arch again just to finish it off on the end like this, and I need to finish here, so I create a profile. Now I've created a surface, and then it's just to create a circle. Keep it locked in the blue axis by pushing the up arrow, and I'm going to put the center of the circle on the end point here, and then I'm going to click on this point around here, and then it's just to select the circle, take follow me, click on the surface, and then just wait for the magic, and there you go. Quick way to create a simple vase. I'm going to delete the circle, and then if it's not created the bottom surface, it's just to take the line tool and trace over a existing line, and there you go. You can create whatever shape you want, of course. This is just a quick way to create some kind of vase shape. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time for more tips and tricks in SketchUp.